Paxton, what sound does a dog make? What sound does a monkey make? What sound does a donkey make? What sound does a cat make? What sound does a fish make? What sound does a sheep make? What sound does a horse make? What does a horse make? What about elephant? What about elephant? Yeah. Hey, Paxton, do you know where your eyes are? Where are your eyes? Yeah. Do you know where your ears are? Where are your ears? Good job. What about your mouth? Where's your mouth? Yeah. Do you have a tongue? Do you know where your tongue is? Oh, that's your tummy. Yeah. What about your hair? Do you know where your hair is? Yeah, that's your hair. All right, can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Yeah.